Yeah, no, I mean, in terms of what do you invest in Germany, I mean, if you look at the 10-year bond futures, dividends on the stock market, I mean, it's difficult to find an investment with a risk-return scenario that fits. I think it's, you know, we have to find an equilibrium between risk and return. In terms of residential, which student housing in Germany is part of the residential sector, it's much less operational than in the UK. So we have less students moving. It's part of the residential asset class, and in that sector we see 3 to 4% returns from the residential side, but we have another 150 basis points in terms of renting to students. Still, we are in very good locations in top university cities where residential values have been very stable over the last 50 years.
If we look at where we like to invest in Europe, I think a lot of the things that Peter's pointed out and the dynamics of Germany did attract. It's one of the least overpriced markets that has solid underlying fundamentals. So Germany is a market we like. We like the fact that the debt there is the most affordable and most compelling we can achieve in Europe. So the ability to deliver decent running returns is there. It's also a very liquid market. It's a market that I do believe we'll be able to exit. You've got to look at your exit values and this market works. We then look at what sectors you like, and we've done a lot of stuff with what I term heads-on pillars around Europe, particularly in Germany. It's an area that we feel is less susceptible to the changes to the internet and the technology. It's something that we think works. So we've had a very successful run with our hotel fund in Germany, with nursing homes and senior living, and student housing just struck a chord. What we liked about it was that it's a very fragmented marketplace. It's incredibly difficult for institutional investors to go in and scale. We see what's happening in the UK with the attraction of the markets to global players from Canada, North America, Russia. And so we saw that there's an opportunity to basically create a portfolio of scale. The underlying dynamics work, the markets work, and I genuinely believe we'll be able to create an institutionally investable asset class.